Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. And this video, we try to find out stocks which consecutive increase or 3 days positive close with some percentage. And we try to find create a scanners to find those stocks, and it will be useful for a trend reversal as well as buy at low or a swing kind of thing. So this is what one of my premium group members request. So where we try to find the stock which is rising three consecutive days with some percentage conditions. For example, here the stock which keep on rising. Okay, so I just want to find those stock which keep on increasing uh, continuously. So we used some percentage level to find out three consecutive days having some 3 percentage. Okay, so let me try to create, and I'm just comparing with normal code. So it will be taking time to find, and sometimes it will not finding out the exact stocks. So based on the logic, I try for some swing trading opportunities also. That is also working good. And but main concept is to find out the stock which keep on rising 3% last three consecutive days. So that is what thing which you are going to find it with the charting spanner. So I'm using here custom indicator. So because if you have normal indicator, if I use, and it will be some of the stocks is not giving you the exact result. So let me try to create a scanner. So already we have a custom indicator, so which we have created, and by using that custom indicator, we try to find out that particular in logic. So okay, so average close. Sorry, no need a bracket. Okay. So we use this function to find three consecutive days increase in the market. Average close, daily close, and it should be greater than this. And we used a custom indicator that will help you to find out those stocks which keep on rising. Where I'm just going to focus on 3%. So last consecutive 3 days, I'm just going to find out the stock which increased 3% consecutively. So very few number of stocks, but this will help to find with in equities. So there is a lot of stocks, almost 14 stocks, 3 consecutive days. But instead of using an equity, I'm just going to for future stocks. Very limited number of stocks, only you will know. So let me try for this stock. How it is keep on rising 3% per day. So if you are taking the day one, which is 4%, day two 3.1, and current day is almost 6. So it is keep on increasing 3% continuously. Okay, so let me save, and I will be sharing this in the premium group because it is a custom indicator. Okay, so not using a default one. So previous one, so we find it Novama around 27.6. Here is the point 27. So most of the time, if that third day which increased at the top level or that is an highest swing level, there should be a chances of trend reversal also possible, where I'm checking with some of the stocks after finding this logic MCX and 96. So what the three consecutive days the stock is increasing by 3%. So almost 9th June. So three consecutive 3%, 1, 3.3, here 4 and 7% keep on rising. But if this rise will is happening from the lower level, that would be even better. But even on this case, very fewer number of stocks which you can look for a trend reversal or even a continuation. So where this pattern is formed. Okay, so if I'm just going to check three consecutive days, 2%, you have to change here the value 2% for changing consecutively. So we got some better number of stocks. So maybe here recently, so Amber at a 37. Maybe here at this point 37. Maybe this here also there is a reversal, and after this is an highest level. And recently we seen there is a shooting star. Maybe after below there is a good drop. And let me check some other stocks randomly. PGEL on 16.7. One, two, three, and this is the almost highest level, and there is also be the reversal which is happening. Okay, so this code will help you to find out a consecutive upside or downside in a particular stock. So what I'm just going to create one more logic here. If that particular day, so for an example, the low, this will be helping you to find out this pattern at the lowest level. It must be equal to this will help you to find some even better logics. Very few number of stock which is happening. 11th April, Dixon and NBCC 11 April. So maybe here. So this is the point where it is happening at the lowest level, and after that it is giving you such a good movement in the lower level. This kind of pattern which forms. And Dixon. So this may be useful for swing logic, which you can. So Dixon, where it is forms at this point, after that it is giving you such a good moment. And previously we have a lot of stocks here at 6.3 in the Petro, BPCL, 6.3 maybe here. This is the point. 6th March, and after that there is a good recovery in Petro, BPCL. So the logic which you are using here, 6th March, so that may be helping you to find out for a swing opportunity. Even you can change this for 2 days. We have a very few number of stocks. If you look at this, I think it is not very few number of stocks. March by BPCL HAL. I think this is what 5th March, and that has also moves. And the same point HAL, which forming a such a pattern. So here this is the 5th March. After that we don't have a much more stocks. Maybe it will be helping you to find the swing opportunities. But the logic which we are using to find consecutive 3 days higher with some percentage condition, this code will help you. So you can change here how much percentage you want. So if I want to keep on daily 5%, that would not be possible in future stocks. Very rare. Okay, so but if you check this in a cash, some of the stocks may be possible. So for example, this is a 98 rupees. Go auto 5%, consecutive 5%. That would be possible. Okay. So 3 consecutive days, 5%, which is happening. So maybe you can change this values and you will be able to find out a lot of stocks in equity. So maybe you need to check the volume and whether the stock is good liquid or good volumeable one. Okay, but future and option shares are Nifty 500. So whatever the index which you want, you can also change here, and you can also increase the change of the percentage, and this will help you to find out some opportunities with this particular scanner. Keep on rising and keep on rising in 3 consecutive days. I hope you understood the logic. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.